Hey everyone, it's Joe with Siser North America. We have been so busy here adding new products constantly, and I thought it would be a great idea to make it happen all in one video and show you guys what we've been doing and what we've been launching just recently. Hang out for a brand new episode of the Decoration Zone. I'm going to be talking about Easyweed Matte colors, metal HTV, new glitter colors, and brand new easy patterns. Please hang out with me. Alright, so the first product line I really want to highlight that we just added some new colors to is our Easyweed Matte. Now, Easyweed Matte is a twist on an old classic Siser heat transfer vinyl. So you're probably familiar with our Easyweed heat transfer vinyl. So in case you've never really noticed, the Easyweed heat transfer vinyl has a little bit of a semi-gloss finish. So if you want a matte finish, something flat, something that may give you that ink or screen printed effect, Easyweed Matte is what you're going to want to use. We now have red, orange, royal blue, green, navy blue, and purple. I have my design cut. Next step I need to do for my Easyweed Matte is weed away the excess material and remove all the cavities within it. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have our excess material all weeded away, removed cavities. Again, this is Easyweed Matte. It works the same way as regular Easyweed, so the same cut settings, same heat applications instructions, so you aren't changing anything. The product is exactly the same. So what we're going to do is apply this design with the 6 brand new Easyweed Matte colors onto a 100% cotton t-shirt. I have my heat press set to 305 degrees. So the first thing we're going to do is we're preheating our garment, take out the wrinkles and moisture, get a flat area where we need to press it. Now, I'm going to apply each one of these colors and also show you the benefit. For those that have never used the Easyweed lines, huge benefit of our products. You can absolutely layer on top of them, but another cool thing you're gonna do is a 1-second tack if you have multiple colors like we're doing here. So I'm using a cover sheet. I'm gonna tack my first color down for 1 second, and then you can peel hot. So now we're gonna cruise along. The next color we're doing here is orange. All right, so I did royal blue, now I'm on to the green. Tacking this for 1 second, peeling hot. You have the option to peel hot or cold if you'd like. And my last color is purple. I'm still gonna perform the 1-second tack. I've only tacked each one of these colors down for 1 second, so I need to make sure I go back, cover up my design, and press for an entire 12 seconds. And that is going to completely bond each one of those colors properly to the garment. So this way I know when I wash it, I have no concerns of it falling off. And there you have it. 6 colors of Easyweed Matte. You just saw how fast that application is. So whether you are new to this or if you're a crafter, this is an awesome addition to your business. Now, if you're a screen printer and you deal with any kind of inks or large format printing, this is another way to add to your business that still gives that screen print inked effect, has that awesome matte flat finish, and best of all, no minimums. So you don't need to turn away business. So Easyweed Matte is a great addition, and we are expanding colors. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let's move on. All right, so you just saw Easyweed Matte. Now I'm gonna move on to 2 awesome colors we just recently added to our glitter heat transfer vinyl line. Now I'm gonna introduce lilac and ember orange. Now we're gonna actually do a demo to show you what the 2 of these new colors look together on this awesome shirt. First thing I need to do is weed away my excess, so let's get started. All right, so we removed the excess, we removed the cavities. Now, a thing to remember with Siser glitter heat transfer vinyl is we are applying 2 different colors, but we do not recommend layering glitter on top of one another. So the trick I'm doing here is what we call the knockout method. So I am applying these 2 brand new Siser glitter colors, but I am performing the knockout method, so both of these transfers actually are applied onto the garment. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my t-shirt, which I have ready to go, with a heat press, For Siser glitter, you're gonna be set to about 320 degrees. You still wanna make sure that your pressure is good. You wanna do a preheat, take out wrinkles and moisture like we did right there. What's great about Siser glitter as well is just like what I showed you with the Easyweed Matte, is that we can press this down for 1 to 2 seconds and tack it into place and peel hot. That's how fast that application is. I'm now going to set my lilac inside of my Ember Orange. So now that I have that on there, I'm gonna put my cover sheet over it and press it for the full duration. And there you have it. What do you guys think? A little bit of inspiration to get you going for the holiday season. So we're gonna keep on cruising, hang out. So the fun doesn't stop there. Now we're cruising on to a totally different line that we have constantly been expanding. Now I want to introduce 3 brand new colors we just added to the Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl line. And that is Blue Metal, Silver Blue Metal, and Red Metal. Now these are fantastic additions to our metal heat transfer vinyl line. These are one-step processes, so all you have to do is cut it on your vinyl cutter in reverse. We're gonna weed out the excess material right now and heat apply it. You need some inspiration for the summer, so we're gonna do something with all 3 of these brand new metal colors. We're gonna mix all 3 of these colors together with a great design to showcase what these colors are all about. Now on your heat press, you're set to 305. So just like the Easyweed Matte, all our other Easyweed. So what we're gonna do first, just like the other ones, is set it up on our heat press. But for this project, what I'm gonna use is a heat press pillow, because this is something I need you all to pay attention to, is that the seams of this tank top are gonna cause uneven pressure to the area I wanna press on. So with a heat press pillow, this is going to allow the area I wanna press on to kind of rise above those seams or any kind of obstructions you deal with. So these are great tools to use if you have projects like this. So we adjusted it. I'm gonna press this for a few seconds, do my preheat. Now we're ready to go. Now, the only difference compared to the last 2 lessons I just showed you with the Easyweed Matte and the glitter is metal heat transfer vinyl. It is not a 1-second tack or a hot peel. We are gonna press this down all at one time. It isn't a 1-second tack though. So we are gonna press this for about 5 to 6 seconds just to get these onto the garment. Again, with the Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl, it is a cold peel. So you don't want to keep it on your heat press, you actually want to take it off. Ideally use a cold surface, maybe where you're working. Let it cool down before you peel your carrier. Give it a few seconds. I have one more color I need to add. I'm going to lay this back down onto my heat press and add my silver blue, which is going to go over the rest of this design. And I am gonna only tack this down the same way. I'm gonna do 5 seconds. Again, wait till this cools off. Just give it about 5 seconds. Bump it up against something cool. All right, so now we are done with the carrier sheets, but it's very important, just like we did with the Easyweed Matte, that once our carrier sheets are off, we go back and apply for the entire duration. It's still very important to make sure you apply so that it's getting the correct temperature for the entire duration it needs, which is about another 10 seconds. And here you have it. In action. What do you guys think? All 3 of the brand new Siser Metal Heat Transfer Vinyl colors. So this is another great idea. Summer's around the corner, so I hope the ideas are flying. Let's keep cruising. All right, we're gonna move on to the last thing I want to talk about, which is our easy patterns. In case you've never used the Siser Easy Patterns, they are patterned heat transfer vinyls that you are already printed on. So all you need to do is cut them with your vinyl cutter. They come in all sorts of great patterns, but I want to talk about 4 brand new patterns we just recently added, which are amazing. So I'm gonna introduce Jumbo, Jubilee, Kente, and Kusanga. What I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna weed away my excess material and all my cavities, and then I'm gonna show you the masking process. So let's begin. All right, so I have the excess material, my cavities weeded from these easy patterns. Now they're good to go. The next step you need to do is remember that this mask is what you need in order to remove your transfer and bring it to your garment. So this is just TTD High Tack Mask by Siser, which will also come when you order your easy patterns. So I already have this. I'm gonna take you through one process, then we're gonna montage the rest of these so we can cruise along. You wanna cut down a piece of the TTD Easy Mask just about the size, a little bit larger than what your easy pattern transfer is. Then what you're gonna do is peel your paper backing off, save this. Now this is a sticky carrier sheet made for heat transfer vinyl. But what you're gonna do is lay it on a flat surface. You're gonna take your easy pattern with the sticky side up on your TTD High Tack mask. You're gonna roll this across, and then you're gonna take your Siser squeegee, apply some force, and create a bond. So I'm starting in the center and I'm just drawing the air pockets out and creating a bond between the two. Now you need to make sure that after that, you peel this backing off. This is garbage. Now my transfer is ready to go. If you didn't want to use it right away, save your paper backing that you had and you can lay it over it. So now we're gonna cruise through these other 3 easy patterns. All right, so there it is. I have all 4 of these brand new easy patterns ready to go for application. Again, I am set to the same temperature as the Easyweed Matte that I showed you, 305, and the metal that I showed you, 305. So I'm gonna be pressing this onto 100% white cotton t-shirt. Very important with Siser Easy Patterns to remember to think about the scheme between the colors of the patterns and the kind of garment you're going on, or the color of the garment you're going on. I have a V-neck t-shirt, and as you saw when I loaded it onto my heat press, I did bring that V-neck off of my platen. And now for the application, we are gonna cruise through and press all these. Even with the easy patterns, you could still do a 1-second tack and peel hot. And my last transfer, but just like the last times, I am gonna still tack that down for the 1 second because my carrier, I don't want it to leave creases around the other easy patterns. So with a 1-second tack, I'm going to avoid having any of those creases. And now that I've tacked them all down for 1 second, I'm going to go back and press them for the full 12 seconds. What do you guys think? These awesome 4 brand new additions to the Easy Pattern line. These are all available. I know you're gonna come up with some fantastic ideas to use for these new patterns, out and available now. Again, lots of great projects coming up for the summer. So now it is the time to start thinking about what you want to do with all these new products. Okay, Easyweed Matte. We have metal, we have new glitter colors, we have new easy patterns. So much to offer to build your business and to spark some new creative ideas for the upcoming months. So again, GSG is one of our authorized Siser distributors, so please feel free to contact them at any point if you're trying to get your hands on any of the stuff I just showed you in this video. But if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at CiserNA.com, or you can email us at info@CiserNA.com. Feel free to follow any of our social medias so that we can keep helping you and hopefully continue to inspire for new ideas and get some ideas from you on what you'd like to see next from Siser North America. Thank you so much for watching another episode of The Decoration Zone. I'm Joe with Siser North America, and I'll see you all very soon.